Hello, this is a little program which improves the musical memory. I've seen a program like this 10 years ago on the web, and I've tried to recreate it in Scratch. There will be soon a version in Android, I hope. So the program is this. You can decide how many notes to remember. Default is 3. You decide the scale. Default is diatonic, but there is also the chromatic scale and the simple pentatonic scale. So if I click plus, I increase the number of notes to remember, and I click the button play. I check. If I am not sure about the notes, I can replay how many times I want. And there is also the possibility to listen the diapason before click the other buttons. So I have gained 1 point. I check. Again. This is the correct sequence of notes, but I want to add one note, so it is wrong. I check, and now I can see what the computer has played and what I have pressed, what button I have pressed. 60 is this, 61, 62, okay, and here is 72. So it is simple to see what in which note I have done an error. If I play, the two lists go away, because they are visible only when I do an error. If I want to reset the program, I can restart with reset. And I think it is very difficult to work with the chromatic scale, also with 6, 7, 8, 10 notes to remember. So I think this program is very useful to remember melodies, because if you have do training in random notes, it is very simple to remember music melodies. This is the new program I've done, and I hope it is useful for you. Thank you.